Welcome to Ajastro Mini Guru, your trusted platform for the latest updates and advanced analysis on commodities. Today, we delve into two significant developments in the global and domestic markets. First, we explore the recent recovery in pepper prices across domestic and Vietnamese markets after a sharp decline. Then, we shift focus to the surge in small cardamom prices, which have reached a 4.5-year high due to tight supply conditions. Let's unpack these insights in detail. After a steep drop in recent weeks, pepper prices in domestic markets have started to recover over the past 3 to 4 sessions. In key producing states like Kerala and Karnataka, ungarbled pepper prices rebounded by 400 rupees per quintal. This recovery follows a previous decline of 2,000 rupees per quintal, which had sent shockwaves through the market. A major contributing factor to this turnaround has been the stabilization of global pepper prices, particularly in Indonesia and Brazil, where strong harvest performances have boosted overall sentiment. In Kerala, the Kochi market has witnessed notable improvements in pepper pricing. Ungarbled pepper now trades at 62,400 rupees per quintal, while garbled pepper is priced at 64,400 rupees per quintal. Similarly, the 500 gigaliters variety has been quoted at 61,400 rupees per quintal. Karnataka's markets, such as Kushalnaga and Chikmagalur, have mirrored this trend, with prices ranging between 62,000 rupees and 64,700 rupees per quintal. Favorable weather conditions and optimism around the upcoming harvest season have added to this positive momentum. On the international front, Vietnam's pepper prices have also seen a noticeable rise. Prices have increased by 2,500 Vietnamese dongs to 4,000 per kilogram, with current levels ranging between 140,000 Vietnamese dongs and 141,000 per kilogram. Despite this growth, the market remains relatively stable, as export demand has been limited, and stock levels among farmers and stockists have remained constrained over the past several trading sessions. Global FOB, free on board, quotes have shown a similar recovery. In Brazil, the Astor variety is now quoted at $6,050 per metric ton, while Vietnam's 500 gigaliters and 550 gigaliters varieties are priced at $6,200 and $6,500 per metric ton, respectively. Indonesia's Astor pepper stands at $6,596 per metric ton, while Malaysia has recorded prices of 8,400 Malaysian ringgit per metric ton. These improvements in global prices have lent further support to domestic markets. However, as the pepper harvest season approaches in India and Vietnam, prices are expected to remain stable rather than experiencing sharp increases. With the harvest set to begin in December and January, the market is likely to offer balanced opportunities for traders and producers, ensuring a steady trading environment in the short term. Turning to small cardamom, prices have soared to a new 4.5-year high, driven by a significant supply shortage. Adverse weather conditions have played a major role in this situation, leading to crop failures and reduced yields. This has pushed prices higher in the spot market, with the average auction price recently climbing to 2,949 rupees per kilogram, up from 2,918 rupees in the previous session. However, the maximum price witnessed a slight decline, slipping from 3,309 rupees to 3,249 rupees per kilogram. Auction volumes have also seen a reduction, with today's arrivals totaling 56,543 kilograms compared to 59,605 kilograms in the previous session. Despite this decrease, demand remains robust, with 98.9% of the available stock being sold. The high demand and reduced supply have created a perfect storm for sustained price increases. This sharp price rise can be attributed to several factors. The first harvest of the season was completed earlier than usual due to low crop yields caused by erratic weather patterns. Additionally, imports from Guatemala, a key global supplier of cardamom, have decreased significantly due to crop failures, further tightening global supply. Interestingly, the lower imports have led to a reduction in the mixing of inferior quality stock, resulting in better quality in the market, which has further supported higher price levels. Prices for specific grades of cardamom have remained relatively stable after the sharp increase. Smaller grades measuring 7 mm are priced between 2,350 rupees and 2,420 rupees per kilogram. Medium-sized grades ranging from 7 to 8 mm are trading at 2,600 rupees to 2,720 rupees per kilogram. The premium grades, which are 8 mm and above, are being sold at prices between 2,940 rupees and 3,060 rupees per kilogram. In summary, both the pepper and small cardamom markets are experiencing notable developments. Pepper prices are recovering steadily, supported by global trends and favorable domestic conditions, while small cardamom prices continue to soar due to severe supply constraints. These market dynamics present unique opportunities for traders, producers, and other stakeholders. Thank you for joining us on Ajastro Maniguru. Don't forget to like this video, share it with others, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful updates and advanced commodity analysis. See you in our next video.